Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore the yogurt banana sundae can be a delicious and diabetic-friendly dessert option when prepared with low sugar and high protein ingredients. Wait! Before starting video, I introduce you with MetaFast, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1/4 cup non-fat vanilla yogurt, 1/4 cup sliced banana, ½ teaspoon sliced almonds, ½ teaspoon dark chocolate chips. First of all, start by preparing your ingredients and gathering your blender. In a small bowl, mix the plain Greek yogurt with the optional vanilla extract and cinnamon if you desire extra flavor. Stir until well combined. Spoon yogurt into a small bowl and top with banana, almonds, and chocolate chips. Serve your yogurt banana sundae immediately, or you can refrigerate it for a short time to allow the flavors to meld together. Enjoy your delicious and diabetic-friendly yogurt banana sundae. Are you ready to manage low blood sugar level at home naturally? Click link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.